Hi, congratulations, Gaurav, on cracking the online mission on Robosensei. It was good to see that in very short time you could attempt multiple missions, I think.
Yeah.
And you could crack them all. So you were on top of the leaderboard for us, which is why we thought, let's have a talk with you and understand what kind of mission you attempted, and was it easy, difficult, too easy for you, and how did you manage to do it in such a short time?
Yeah, so all the missions were based on Scratch, simple blocks, and I used to do Scratch few years ago, 3 to 4 years ago, so I had that memory in it. Awesome. But I stopped Scratch few years ago, and I had Lego, and it was like Lego Technic, which is electric and programmable. So I programmed with Python and with the inbuilt app they gave, and I slowly learned myself and progressed and created my own models of Mars rover, vehicles, etc.
That's amazing. So that means you are a self-taught learner.
Yeah.
Which is quite inspiring, because if we all can figure out how to learn by ourselves, we learn in the most natural and original way, and we get a lot of chances to troubleshoot. So what is it that you're aspiring to do now? Like, was this the first time you did an online simulation, like on an online platform you did
yeah, this is my first.
Yeah, okay, great. So would you have anything in mind that you'd like to do, probably in the sessions to come? Is there something that you would like to find a problem statement, if you have, and you want to find some kind of a solution to it? Do you have anything in mind like that?
Yeah, so space technology, I'm interested in that.
Wow.
So like there are people who Elon Musk wants to build a base on Mars and Moon.
Yes.
But it's kind of hard because there's not much atmosphere over there.
Of course.
So we have to adapt to it.
Right.
And not just that, around Earth there's space junk, how to collect that and throw it. Else it's going to collect and it's going to harm us. So I want to solve problems like those.
Oh, wonderful. So I think you're truly aspirational, and you want to really reach some higher goals, which is really interesting. So I'm sure that if you build a base from right now, and we can give you support through simulations where you can try out different combinations of things and see what works best to troubleshoot an idea or to implement an idea. I think that would go a long way. And somebody like you, who is so self-taught and is so interested in learning things and trying out various different things, it will be a lot of fun for us to see you build something new and build something innovative. So we wish you all the best, and we congratulate you for cracking the mission so quickly. We will really try and give you something more challenging, so it keeps you engaged, and your much awaited prize is on its way. So thank you for talking to us, and have a great day.
Yeah, you too.
Goldenbee Global, Beehive of Learning.